How to disable email, new posts, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable email, new posts, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here you will find library. Click on it and then click here in the top corner. Here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications. Scroll down until you find this one, new posts by followed user, and then just disable it. Click on it and go back, and as you see, that's how to disable new email, new posts, notifications. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.